walking in the streets of Shandon, going to look for food. We just arrived, left our stuff in the hotel, and now we're going to look for something to eat. There's our hotel over there. Oh, so a pretty looking store with strawberries. I got a sweet treat. It looks like 2 cheesecakes, but the flavor is lemon. It's lime. See the picture?
This one, which flavor?
Okay, I'm getting a strawberry. Shing shing down down. Shing shing down down. Got some food, noodles in a bowl, and back to the hotel. Staying over there at the Ballman. It's colorful. Okay, so I am back from looking for food on the street. Got food. I'm gonna have it in a moment. Let me quickly do a room tour because I have to sleep early. Like, it's been a busy 3 days. So room tour, let's go. Big ass mirror over here. Outfit check. Oh, we need to close over here. Complimentary for Shein. And then we have the bathroom. Mirror lighting piece. Over here we have shower and second door we have the toilet, and that is the bathroom. Main bedroom, luggage space over there. Oh, we have some room slippers. We have a large king size bed, a little loungy situation over there, and a painting, a mini work area. Got some food. I got noodles. Let me show you the noodles. So this is the noodles. Hey bro, now what's this now? Hey, okay. Alright. Okay. I got desserts, cheesecake, some coffee. Apparently this in China is as big as Starbucks. So I got myself cherry blossom latte. No, cherry blossom, let me try and remember the name. But yes, it's pinkish. You got some pink something. Okay, I'm gonna use the chopstick. What is this? Okay, I don't know what it tastes like. And beef, bacon. Okay, I don't know. These noodles are gigantic. Okay, let us try and eat because I felt so hungry. I'll eat the noodles because I have to eat. I'm hungry. But the meat, I won't eat the meat because I don't like the texture, and I'm not sure what meat it is. So noodles are filling, and yeah. I'm gonna shake it because it's cherry blossom. Oh my god. Oh my god, it tastes really good. Let's clean the table. Now we're gonna try with this cute little pink spoon. Fork. Feels like jelly. Ooh, it smells so nice. Oh, it's written in Chinese. What am I trying to read? What deep go through? Yes. That was a good recommendation. Now I can sleep. Quick freshen up and then bed. Got an early morning tomorrow. Today we are going to another factory. The company came to pick us up and we will be off to the factory. There's the car that we are going in. Wish us luck. There's in more construction equipment and I will show you guys around. We are here specifically for the concrete mixer, which you will see in a bit. And these are mini excavators. So yeah, let's get started at the day room. This is what we came to purchase the concrete self-loader. I think Leto and I are happy with the product, right? Oh, it has a camera.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice. And everything inside is in English, so this is We are officially done at the second factory. We went to lunch and then moved to the next province, Hannon.
不用上班的，我只是跳动一下。
Shandong train station and now going to Henan city. Then we wrap up the business. Waiting for the train. It's coming in a few seconds, I think. Probably approaching now. Arrived in Henan Province. It is 8:15 in the evening, still in the subway. Gonna get out and look for a cab, DD cab, to have something to eat quickly and then go to the hotel. It is now 11 p.m. at night. Just got to that hotel, finished dinner with the suppliers. It was a really great dinner. So I'm just gonna do a quick room tour. I'm exhausted. I just want to sleep. Is open shower Tambo vibe. We got a mirror covering the tent, little vanity area with a ring light that can be controlled here. Boom, boom. Love it. This is the bed sleeping area, inside bed. Got a TV too. Sitting area over there. Today we are at the
This for the gift for your
My boss.
yeah. You can give.
Okay, thank you.
coming with the office
You're
to
welcome.
say
So
goodbye.
the
She wants you to have Chikanga chigilion Matobaba Chunga chipidi boy Chinganga mapure na chipiri yon Chai hello Tinalanga giri bon.
Oh yeah, officially lost. Are we lost?
yeah.
Okay. We are lost. Okay, we'll go back to the main street. And I think I'm gonna leave this hair thing now because, yeah, I wasn't even getting the hair for myself. Just getting it for my colleagues and some family members, so I can't find it. And I still need to catch the train. I don't want to be late for the train. So we're gonna bounce. I'm back on the train in Hannon and taking a straight train back to Shanghai. It's gonna be a 4-hour ride. So touch base when we get to Shanghai. Good morning from Shanghai. Today is day 6 in China. Plan to go to Disney World today, but it's raining. Like, it's really raining. I'm disappointed because I had planned out a whole bright pink outfit for the day. Now it's raining. Wanted to wear sandals, but looks like I will have to wear sneakers. But maybe I'll pack the sandals in my bag. Maybe the weather will change later. I have no idea. Now I have to carry a jacket. I don't want to carry a jacket. Like, I literally planned today's day in my head so perfectly, but I mean, we plan, but God decides. It's a rainy weather. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit, but I'm still gonna go nonetheless. I mean, who comes to Shanghai and not go to Disney World? So I'll still go. I'm not gonna be discouraged by the rain, and I'll just explore the indoor parts of this Disneyland. I really wanted to do the whole flower garden because my outfit is pink. I'll show you in a moment, but let me show you the glue. Right. Gonna wait for Uber to go to Disneyland, and I'm gonna wear jackets because it's very cold. Anywho, in Disneyland, China, Shanghai. It's extremely cold. So for now I have my jacket on, but let's see, maybe later the weather will get better and then I will remove so that my outfit is popping. Got this at the entrance. Wanna be Minnie Mouse for the day. yeah, let's go. Okay, gonna enter now. I'm still on the outside. Gonna be entering in a moment. And just like that, I am inside Shanghai Disneyland. It is cold today. It's 9 degrees. 9 degrees.
Shanghai Disneyland.
But
A
we'll
photo of
explore.
each ticket holder has been taken.
OK。 Okay. I want to take a video walking. Hello. Thank you. This place is so massive. I'm actually overly stimulated and at some point I feel like I want to sit down just to woosa, just a little bit of woosa. Look at that. And I'm literally still by the entrance basically. Woo. And we got the Disney castle in the background. I'm still gonna walk and go all the way here. Yeah, I'm still a bit far, but we're going. Let's go. I will get there. Wow, wow. Welcome to Disneyland. Taking video, can take pictures. Look, camera.
Okay, with me. Wow, beautiful.
You want chance pose?
Yeah, wow. Okay, good.
Ni hao. on the ride because obviously for safety, that was awesome. This one right here, awesome. Now I'm gonna go try and see if there's a line at the Tron. If there's no line, I'm gonna ride that as well. Let's going down. The line is not that bad. Well, it's long, but it's moving at a Tron. Ooh, I just did the Tron. My whole body is shaking. Oh my gosh. Ah! I just did the Tron. My whole entire body is shaking. Like Tron. You can never pay me to ever do that shit again. Ni hao. This way? Thank you. I am entering Zootopia. This place is massive. Like I said earlier, it's really disorientated. Had to get some tea because it's cold. Ni hao. I'm now on the Pirates of the Caribbean little adventure shindig.
所以你才想当海盗，像我，Jack Sparrow。谢难料。 可真是太了不起了！啊，来的正好，我忠诚的船员们，在下这 Sparrow 船长为您效劳。好了，我们现在就去抢戴维图斯的沉落宝藏。哦，对了。
完蛋，我们就是首位。
那我绝不会告诉他们，沉落的宝藏就在这里。
闭嘴！
宝藏不在这里，宝藏不在这里。
喂，朋友，在下 Jack Sparrow 船长。我发现我的一些戒指，不知道放哪儿去了。总共6枚，就在这层甲板上。你找到他们，我们就是一辈子的好朋友。
可以。太牛了！
Whoa, beautiful! Beautiful!
Done for the day. No judging. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful day in Disneyland. Time to go sleep now. Okay, no judging, guys. It's freezing. It's like 3 degrees, so I had to buy this because it's freezing. Just got back from Disneyland. Now it's 11:30 at night, almost midnight. It was a very long, extremely long day. I'm extremely tired, so I'm gonna take a very hot shower and then go to bed. Not gonna say too much, but I will say this: it was worth every penny. It was worth the whole day. It was worth me walking the whole entire day, and I want to experience this with my kids. I know definitely Anashi and Ari would love this experience, so bucket list to do Disneyland with the kids. I love it, and I'm an adult, and I just felt like I unleashed my childhood fantasy. I enjoyed everything, from the food, from the shows. I literally told myself I'm gonna get inside almost all of them, except the ones that were closed, or maybe I missed the show because the show ran when I was in another show, and then by the time I got there they'd closed the show. The only show that I am bummed that I miss is Frozen, because I love Frozen, and she made me love Frozen. So I would have wished by the time I got there, literally like, oh, that was the last show of the day. But it's fine, because putting Disney on another bucket list, but with the kids. So next time on Disney, I'm definitely gonna make sure that I catch Frozen. Other than that, guys, it was a lovely day from me to you. Good night. International Airport. On the gate, I'm boarding on D7. We are about to board literally in the next maybe 5 minutes. There's a bit of a delay, but we're about to board. The next time you will see me, I'll be back in South Africa at OR Tambo. I learned we have history. I don't know how long immigration will take, but it should be quicker for us South Africans. And then after that, I have layover for 3 hours, then board to Durban. So my flight in the evening is at 7. So still got a long way to go home, but it is what it is. See you guys on the flip side.